Here we have Heidi. She's right in the centre of the actual shot here. She's quite small because of the actual quality of the iPhone, but she's right in the centre, on point to her left. It's a pair of birds, a cockbird and a hen grouse. And as usual, me trying to catch up with the dog quartering out. On this occasion it was quartering to her left cheek. Here we're trying to catch up with the dog and no spook these two birds. We're pretty lucky here, the two actually sit quite tight. So I cast off Heidi with the whistle. First cast, comes into contact again, second cast, cockbird rises, there's the cock away, hen's right in front on that small clump. Oof, well, Heidi was close there. Anyway, nice find.